When you first arrive in the editor, you'll be met with a blank white box. That represents your pop-up. Clicking Preview, we can confirm this. You add content by selecting any one of these elements below. You can add video, data elements such as HTML forms, images, links, boxes, and text. In the top right, you'll be able to resize your pop-up any place you want, add a background, change the properties and position, and as we just saw, preview. ScreenPopper gives you the tools to custom design your pop-ups with infinite layouts, but we really shine with images. Either you can build your own images with Photoshop or Illustrator, pre-purchase images through services, or even hire a designer. We've already uploaded a few, so we're going to show you that now. Clicking Image and clicking one of our 3 images, we'll add it to the page. Dragging it into the pop-up box and making sure it's entirely inside the window, we click Preview, and we can see our pop-up. Clicking Background, we're now going to remove the background so it's clear. Clicking Preview, we can see the example. Furthermore, we can move any component around where we want it. In this case, let's move the close box and just resize it just a teeny bit. But we also want to add a link. In this case, double-clicking the image, and pasting our new site destination from the click, and clicking Preview, we can see our new result. Clicking the image shows you that the link is active. Once your pop-up looks the way you want it to, and before you leave the page, click the Save Changes button. This updates the delivery network. After every update, we purge the cache, making sure that your pop-up is served fresh from servers around the world. With this pop-up saved, let's take a look at the 2 others that we have in the same group. This way, when we serve the pop-ups to our visitors, we have a better chance to understand what works. Going up to the boxes on the top left, we can see the 2 other pop-ups. Let's click Mailing List first. In this case, all we want to do is to generate a single form that will allow you to collect an email. These elements are draggable just like anything else. And additionally, since they're not really sticking out very much, we want to double-click them, go to the widget editor, and change the theme to Blueberry. That's a little bit better. We can see the button now. Clicking Preview and clicking Subscribe, we see that the Form Element Required field shows up, and if we type in a generic email, that also shows that it's not valid. Let's put something real. That does indeed pass, and we're back to the original pop-up. Let's take a look at the 3rd pop-up offer that we have in this group. This is a coupon, but as you can see, we have black text here against a gray background, which doesn't really stick out very much. So let's double-click that text and change its color. These are standard text elements that can be moved on the page or updated any time by double-clicking. You can also right-click if you want to delete the element, or even layer them up or down. Clicking Preview, we can see our result. That's much better. A coupon offer is a perfect example for using template variables in case you want to dynamically pass in the number 30 or even the coupon code on a daily basis from your database. Clicking Save Changes and Done will bring us back to the ScreenPopper Manager. Arriving back at the ScreenPopper Manager, we have one more step, and that's to place the launch code on the web page. In this case, we're using a standard theme from WordPress, and we're going to place the code directly in the page. Now we have 2 choices. In this case, we can paste it right before the body tag on the main footer. This will allow it to show on every page, but that's probably too many pop-ups. We're going to just place it on the home page instead. Saving our file and taking a look by clicking here, we can see one of our pop-ups. Clicking home again, we can see the second. We've changed the position and removed the background, as you can see, but they are fully functional. And clicking home one more time, we can see the last pop-up. But you see, it didn't arrive here. It's because we changed it to an on-exit setting, and as the mouse reaches the top of the page, that's when our super coupon shows up.